The Mac Studio is the latest Mac desktop from Apple. It comes in two configurations, one with the M1 Max chip and the other with the M1 Ultra. The starting price of the Mac Studio with the M1 Max chip is $2,000, and it's $4,000 for the M1 Ultra. These prices are in US dollars as of March 2022. These prices seem expensive, but let's find out if they really are. First, we're comparing the configuration of the Mac Studio with the M1 Ultra chip against an Alienware R13 PC. The $4,000 Apple system comes with a 20-core CPU and a 48-core GPU, 64GB of RAM, and 2TB of SSD storage. The Alienware computer is equipped with the new 16-core i9-12900KF and the RTX 3090 from NVIDIA. The other specifications are very similar, apart from the slower Ethernet on the Alienware and larger power supply due to the increased power draw. The Dell desktop is actually more expensive than the Apple Mac Studio for similar specifications, even though the M1 Ultra is a faster CPU and a GPU. Now we'll also compare the cheapest Mac Studio versus a similarly spec'd Alienware system. The $2,000 Apple system comes with a 10-core CPU and a 24-core GPU, 32GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage. The Alienware computer is equipped with the new 10-core i5-12600KF and the RTX 3070 Ti from NVIDIA. The other specifications are, again, very similar, apart from the slower Ethernet and larger power supply on the Alienware. The cheapest Mac Studio actually comes in at a lower price point than a similarly configured Alienware computer. If you're looking for a new personal computer, stop and think before pulling the trigger on a Windows PC that caught your eye. The new M1 Ultra and even the older M1 Max processors from Apple are seriously competitive when it comes to their performance, hard draw, and even cost. While the $4,000 USD starting price of the Mac Studio with the M1 Ultra might seem ridiculous, it's actually even cheaper than the most powerful Alienware gaming desktop, and that can't even keep up with Apple's newest offering. Basically, the Mac Studios are better than Intel's latest chips paired with even the fastest NVIDIA GPUs in almost every single way, delivering stronger performance with better thermals, efficiency, and in a much smaller form factor, while also being less expensive, means the M1 Ultra and the Mac Studio are a great purchase for most people. For a more detailed comparison of the M1 Ultra chip versus the Intel i9 12th generation and the NVIDIA 3090, click on the video on the left. Consider hitting the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video.